How are you? Okay, fine. So, on the screen, you can see the new words for you. This vocabulary is very much important for your writing. To enrich your writing, you must know new words, some different types of words, which will enrich your writing, your speaking. To get a good score, you must use synonymous words, new lexical resources. So these lexical resources will be very much helpful to make your writing effective, and understandable to others. So here we see that aberration. I think this is new for you. Aberration, what does it mean? Aberration? Okay, so this is not normal, that means abnormal. Something abnormal, or which is not normal, that is called aberration. Then after that, acrimony. Acrimony means okay, bitterness or ill feeling. That means something unpleasant. Something unpleasant. That is not good. So acrimony, something bad is there. Okay, have you written these two words?
Yes,
Next, ambivalence. Ambivalence means mixed feelings. Mixed feelings or emotions. Mixed feelings, that means there is two feelings, that is you are happy, but at the same time you have heard some bad news. So there is a mixed feeling in your mind. And this is called ambivalence. And anachronistic. Anachronistic. Okay. Did you hear this word anachronistic?
No, ma'am.
So this anachronistic means belonging to another time period. Somehow you may call this old-fashioned. Old-fashioned, anachronistic, anachronistic. Anachronistic belonging to another time period. If you want to know some similar words, some synonymous words, and to make you remember that the word, you should know some antonym also. Antonym also. So anachronistic is old-fashioned or belonging to another time period. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, austere. Austere, severe or strict in manner. So these words are very much significant for your writing, and you will have extra bonus marks for these. And you should know the use of the words. So austere, severe or strict in manner. So you may say that any person, he or she, is austere mannered or severe. Okay? So clandestine. Another word, clandestine, kept secret or done secretly. So something that should be kept secret. Clandestine. Is this new to you?
Yes,
Clandestine. So remember it and write down on your copy, and remember the spelling also. Clandestine. Clandestine means kept secret or anything which is done secretly. Clandestine. So in the next class I will ask you about the word meaning also. Another is clemency. Clemency, mercy or leniency. Leniency, clemency. So mercy word, mercy you know, I think this word is familiar with you, but clemency is another word meaning for mercy. Another is confluent, merging into a single entity. Confluent, remember the spelling also. Confluent. just pronounce with me, confluent, confluent, converting into a single entity. Entity means the single, yes, existence. Confluent. Next. Okay. Write down quickly, and with the, okay, you have to write down on your copy so that you should know the spelling also. Spelling is very much important for writing. And anything you are going to write, you should know the spelling and the correct spelling. Something, in most cases or sometimes in the exam hall you get confused regarding a very easy, simple spelling, word spelling. And next, these are the last two words for today's topic. Culpable, deserving blame. Culpable, deserving. This can be pronounced like this, culpable. So not ha or o. Culpable. Culpable. Yes. And next is debilitate. Debilitate, to weaken or enfeeble. Enfeeble, to make someone or something weak. To weaken. Debilitate. Debilitate, culpable. Culpable, deserving, blame. So you pronounce with me, culpable, deserving, blame, and debilitate, to weaken or enfeeble. So feeble, enfeeble means this is verb. Debilitate, to make someone weak or to make someone feeble or fragile. Debilitate. Debilitate. So you have to remember the spelling, the word meaning, and the use of these words for your midterm exam. Culpable, deserving, blame. Now, in our class, we will discuss some important points about the note making. Some of you have already told me that there is some confusion and there is some queries regarding note making, that how can you make notes or how can you extract the important points from our text. After reading our text, you just underline. You have to underline some important points. Look at the screen. You are seeing a text regarding reading habits. So, at first you read the text. At first, only these passages you read. That what does reading do? And when you will be asked to write down some important points or important benefits, or positive things, or advantages or disadvantages of reading. Okay, so in the text there may be some disadvantages. So if there is disadvantages, you have to write down. Sometimes you may be asked to draw a column, draw a table, and there will be you will be asked to write down merits and demerits. So you need to draw a column like this: merits, and demerits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Merit, demerit. Now, in this passage, so what you are seeing here about reading? Reading, what does reading do? Reading broadens our horizon. Horizon means the horizon of knowledge. Okay, it exposes us to different viewpoints, perspectives, and experiences. When I read about characters from various backgrounds and explore far-off lands through the pages of a novel. So you are a student of English department. So you are very much familiar with reading novels, reading storybooks, short stories, poems. We'll step into their shoes and see the world from a different angle. This broadening of perspective fosters empathy and understanding. Empathy, what does it mean? Empathy us, fellow feeling, sympathy. Making us more tolerant and open-minded individuals. So, from this text, you are getting some knowledge regarding the advantages of reading novels, reading books, whatever. So, from this, when you will read, at first try to understand the meaning clearly. That's why I have read the full passage here. So, first, your answer will be like this. The benefits or advantages of reading. Yes, the benefits of reading are given below, or are as follows. Are given below. The benefits of advantages are given below. Write down everybody. Number 1. So here, remember that you won't write your full sentence, a big sentence, long sentence. You have to write down some points. So broadens our no word. But at first in a sentence there will be 4-5 words, not more than that. You will understand that according to the question. At first you have to understand the text and you have to realize that what is in the question. So, broadens our reading, benefits of reading. It broadens our horizon of knowledge. It broadens our horizon of knowledge. This is a small j. Horizon of knowledge. Next, number 2. It exposes us to different viewpoints, perspectives, and experiences. So you, after reading a novel, you will have some experiences, new perspective or outlook regarding the characters, regarding this world. So it broadens our horizon of knowledge. It exposes us.
Ma'am, do we need to paraphrase the sentence while writing or making notes?
Okay, if you paraphrase, it's better, no problem. Or if you can have new words for expose, so it changes our perspectives. Okay, even yours, no problem. It will be appreciated. But at first, so don't. The paraphrase will be same to the text.
I can't change the text.
Yes. The meaning of the text can be changed. It exposes us to different viewpoints. Number three, when we read about characters from various backgrounds, explore far-off lands to the faces of a novel. We step into their shoes and see the world from a different angle. Look at this it has been there has been used for the metaphor. When you read a novel, you go through the characters and their emotions, their activities, so you feel like that you are getting into a different world. So we step into their shoes and see the world from a different angle. This is a metaphor. I think you know about the simile metaphor.
Yes,
this is a metaphor. And so another thing. So you it enhances our experiences. You can write like this. It enhances. Enhance means enhances our experiences. Number 4. It fosters empathy and understanding. It fosters empathy and understanding. It fosters empathy and understanding. Number 5, it makes us more tolerant and open-minded. Reading. It makes us more tolerant and open-minded. That means it makes you okay, your viewpoint liberal and more tolerant. It makes us more tolerant. Tolerant means more even bigger. Yes, right. You have some patience. So you should be more patient, more understandable, and you can realize the fact of time. So those who read more, reading books, reading novels, reading newspapers, articles, and reading is a great habit. Try to grow a habit. Being a student of English literature, okay, you have to learn how reading novel stories, and furthermore, reading fuels our imagination. One time it also increases, enhances, it gears up, fuels our imagination. Whether it's a fantasy novel, a science fiction, no matter. A compelling mystery, books transport us to other worlds and challenge us to envision the unimaginable. So human being has a passion to see the unseen, to know the unknown. So which is not imaginable. So while reading, you will just imagine a character, imagine a different context, different setting, different. You are staying in Dhaka, but you are reading a novel regarding space. So mentally, you are traveling in that space. This is how some unimaginable thing may happen. So this is the power of reading. This is the benefits of reading. So the thing is that after reading the text, we will make this type of short notes. Okay? These are shorts, not too much. And if you write like this, then one broadens. If you don't use these words, it also, okay, no problem. Broadens our horizon, it exposes us to different viewpoints, it enhances our space. You can write like this, no problem. Clear, everybody?
Yes,
ma'am. So, in your question paper or wherever you go, or in a classroom also, you are attending our 1 hour, 1.5 hour lecture. But you can write the full lecture. You have to write only important points. This is what we are doing. This is what we are. You have to jot down some important points from the whole lecture. Okay, any queries?
No, ma'am.
Anything? Okay, thank you.